What's up guys, it's your Nomad Consultant here. I'm actually up in a place called Bath. I'm actually doing a quick little recording outside Bath and had a really nice time. It was very wet and actually grey throughout the whole day. People are trying to actually check me out while I'm filming. But anyway, I just want to say it's been a very good experience. Nomad Ride, part of my road trip. I've really enjoyed traveling from Milton Keynes. Then I went to Buckingham. After that I went to Bristol. Then from Bristol went to Sandy Bay, which is Weston-super-Mare, if I said that correctly. Now we stopped at Bath, had a little break, check out the Roman bath.
You mad? Who mad?
Okay, so sorry I had to restart again because apparently I was interrupted by some unknown voices. Okay, so right now visited the city of Bath. Really good time, wet and grey. I'm now gonna head back to Milton Keynes. Gonna get myself some coffee, ideally a cappuccino, and then after that head back to good old Milton Keynes. Alright, take care, peace and love. Is it ready now? Okay, just call me when it's ready, yeah? Okay, so I'm actually right now at the Cafe Nero, taking a little break, my cappuccino before I hit the road. 2 hours all the way, so I might as well get some good coffee. Respect to McDonald's, but at the end of the day, sometimes you need to have good coffee. Now, some people prefer Starbucks, some people prefer Costa. I find Cafe Nero is a bit strong, but it hits the spot. So, for you guys, if you're coffee lovers out there, let me know what cappuccino or what kind of coffee you like in the comments. Alright, peace and love. I'll actually probably stop recording now and I'll put the camera on a bit of a time warp to show from Bath to MK. Alright, peace and love. Take care.